Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, you click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notifications here, just click on it here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to show missed calls notifications. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's means show missed calls notifications. Disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you are great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.